Alright, here we are with our final video before our January 14th concert stage sound equipment concert rental equipment auction in Langley, British Columbia, Canada. I say that because we've had a lot of interest from all different parts in this equipment. Here we've got a beautiful Yamaha professional concert drum kit, Marshall amplifiers, cabinets, JBL monitor wedges. Coming over here, we've got this spectacular pearl drum kit, lot 164, as you can see. JBL front of the house speaker system. Look at these road cases here. Put all your guitars in that road case. All kinds of lighting. 100 amp power distribution center built into the case. Here's a 200 amp. Televisions, all kinds of road cases. This Marshall equipment down here. Tech stools, in road cases, ready to tour. All kinds of road cases. The cases are like brand new. Everything's pretty much brand new here. Case after case, cable after cable, all kinds of equipment. We'll turn it right here. Take a look at these catering cases. Full catering department. Fridges, toaster ovens, microwaves, chafing dishes. All kinds of mixing boards. Look at this big one over here. Comes with all the power supplies, road cases. This beautiful Roland Space Echo. Don't see those too often. More mixing boards down here. Lighting, all kinds of lighting. We have road cases full of product. Amplifiers. This beautiful drum kit up here. These cases are just stacked. All kinds of microphones. Different microphones, different bits and pieces. We have soundproofing. Beautiful Ludwig drum kit, lot 1 in your catalog. All kinds of EV front of house speaker systems. Microphones, kits, cases. We have all kinds of rack mount special effects product. Look at all these EV speakers here. 95% of it is like brand new. Brand new and as good quality as it gets. The auction is Saturday, January 14th at Able Auctions in Langley, British Columbia. ableauctions.ca. Preview the day before. You can bid online immediately. We're getting more and more lots up each day. Look at all the cable in here. Tons of cables. We have 22 Gibson and Fender guitars. Those are all in lockup right now. Lots of pictures of those online. This beautiful drum kit. I might just sleep in the warehouse tonight and play that all night long. I probably won't though. Saturday, January 14th, ableauctions.ca. Hope to see you there.